I thought it would be easiest for me to show you as I'm pointing at it. So let me show you for the range. You asked for the range. So you always go from bottom to top. One thing that's confusing on this problem is that this does have an arrow on the end down here. It goes down forever and ever. Okay, so they did not put the arrow on there, somehow it got chopped off. But either way, it is a function, and you go from bottom to top for the range. So it's from way down here, which is negative infinity, all the way up to the function is at 1, and that's solid right there. So negative infinity with parentheses up to the solid 1, that means a bracket. And in addition to that, then on the y-axis, it starts again at 4, and that's going to be parenthesis because the dot is open, and then it goes up and over forever. So it goes up on the y-axis forever. So that's why your answer is this right here. So thanks for asking.